Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the booking reference and payment card. This saves time when you change destination. Once logged into Manage Booking, make sure you note the fare rules and change fees listed. These determine cost and options. If you can't see fees, click Change Flight to start the process. Indigo shows available alternatives and any price difference. Because rules vary by fare class, check them now so you know whether you'll pay a penalty, a fare gap, or only taxes. Once you access the Change Flight tool, pick the new destination and preferred travel date. Indigo displays available fares and seat maps so you can compare. Make sure to compare total cost including taxes, service fees, and baggage. Select the fare class you want. If the route is unavailable online or itinerary has connections, contact Indigo's call center. Agents can reissue multi-leg tickets. After selection, confirm seat and baggage options before proceeding to payment so the new ticket reflects your choices. You finish by paying the fare difference and any change fees. Use the same card or another payment method in Manage Booking. Once paid, Indigo issues an updated e-ticket. Check the email and the booking page immediately to confirm new destination, flight times, seat, and baggage allowance. If the system fails or details look wrong, call customer service with your PNR and screenshots. Ask for reissue confirmation and reservation code. Keep receipts and the updated itinerary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.